I ordered takeout for tonight. I'm so lazy and I got a go signal from my sponsor. Hey! Okay. So I ordered from O'Clock and I just recently discovered them and I love their food. And I've been loving their katsu. So good. And chicken. This time I ordered parmesan. This one. I'm not sure if you could see. And then the pork katsu. Oh my god. This is my favorite. I'm so hungry, guys. That's my dinner. Thanks, husband. That is the katsu, pork katsu. And then this one. And then this is going to be the first time I'm gonna try their coffee. So hope it tastes good. Oh no. This is actually Spanish latte. But parang ano na yung ice. Yeah. I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Let's eat. But this meal is going to be so good. Their sauce is amazing. Oh, I have to be careful because this stains a lot, or this stains hard, like the sauce, because it's curry. Pork curry pala to. This is good. I'll treat my husband this one because he hasn't tried this. Yeah, this one is good, as you can tell. This one is okay. It doesn't have like a wow factor. Let's cleanse our palate. Let's try their Spanish latte. At first I thought this was a little sketchy, but I realized it's Spanish latte. It does include condensed, so I'm supposed to shake this. I'll shake it up a bit. And then let's try. It's okay. Yeah, I just feel like this would taste better if the ice didn't melt. The coffee isn't that strong anymore. Like the sweetness of the condensed overpowered the flavor of the coffee. So it's Friday. I'm supposed to work, but I'm planning to do that later. Wait, I miss playing the piano, so I don't have a keyboard right now. So I downloaded an app from the App Store. I'm a little dusty. It's been a long time since I last played, but I always love playing My Immortal by Evanescence. It just sounds so good, the piano. This is the only chords that I know now. Also, it's so hard to play. The keys are so small. Let's see what's inside. Balik dyan dito. Jaco! Joey! Guess where we're going? I just reserved a stay at the Grey Inn. It's supposed to be like an early birthday celebration for Ajit, but we're also gonna visit something there. We're pending confirmation. That's what's up. Friends, this is us, but we are being lazy to cook. My husband made libre. This from O'Clock. Actually haven't tried this yet. We have a sea salt matcha iced tea. I'm not sure what this is. Hi guys, so today is church day, finally. Kaya ano ko maharap?
Saan mo silang Sir William?
Kaya ako maharap, kaya baka life story, be. Chismusog ka.
Uy, dere. Sir William.
Husband and I are on our way to church. I'll see you later. Lunchtime with lechon. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Woohoo! Para tumikpaklay. For dessert, we're having pepper cookie. I got this from TikTok shop. Buy one, get two.
Magparad.
What's this?
Bayan ko na. Balay.
Ano na?
Ang bayan. Sigarilyo na kanto.
Joey loves malunggay pandesal. She wants me to get this, but we just have. No, baby, we're gonna have dinner na. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I bought myself a new keyboard for my computer setup and I'm excited. This is the same brand as my first keyboard, also from Rapu, but it looks cuter. So this is the keyboard I'm currently using. Same brand, but we'll change it up a bit. It looks so premium and like the packaging. It's glittery.